Hi everyone, I am Radul Mishra, CTO at Vigisolver Private Limited. In today's video, we will talk about top 3 open source ERP system that a small or a medium business can use to streamline operations, reduce cost and scale efficiently. Open source ERPs are becoming more popular because they are flexible, affordable and are backed by a very good amount of community. So let's dive in. Our first ERP system is ERPNext. So ERPNext is a complete open source system designed for small and medium businesses. Let's dive into key features of ERPNext. ERPNext comes with strong manufacturing modules like bill of material, production planning, and work orders. It also has integrated HRMS system, CRM, and accounting module. It could be easily customized with Frappe framework. ERPNext is both cloud and self-hosted. So ERPNext is best for small and medium businesses which wants an affordable ERP solution. Why does ERPNext stands out? First of all, it is community driven. It is very user friendly and offers a free version with no license cost. ERPNext is one of the best and fastest growing open source ERP today. Next we have Odoo. Odoo is one of the most popular modular ERP available. It is available in both community and enterprise versions. Key features of Odoo are it supports wide range of business apps like sales, inventory and accounting for HR and marketing. It is highly customizable and integration friendly. Odoo also scales very easily with growing business needs. Odoo is best for SMEs that wants flexibility and don't mind adding modules as they grow. So why does Odoo stands out? First of all, Odoo has a very huge community of developers and implementation experts. Also, the community version of Odoo is free, while the enterprise version gives you additional features. Third on the list is Dolibarr ERP. Dolibarr is an easy to use CRM and ERP system. It is open source and it is designed for freelancers and SMEs. Key features of Dolibarr. It has integrated invoicing, accounting, HR and CRM module inside it. It is very lightweight and it is very easy to deploy Dolibarr CRM and ERP on the servers compared to any other ERP system. Dolibarr works on web with cloud and self-hosting options. It has very active open source community also. Now who can use Dolibarr CRM and ERP? Small companies and startups who are looking for a lightweight ERP without too much complexity. So why does Dolibarr ERP and CRM stands out? First of all, it is very simple and user friendly and it does not require heavy technical skill to get started. It is perfect for startups and companies that want ERP plus CRM at one place. So here is a quick summary. ERPNext, best for SMEs wanting a complete affordable ERP with strong manufacturing and accounting. Odoo, it is best for business that wants flexibility and modularity with large app ecosystem. Dolibarr, best for small business and startup needing something lightweight and simple. At the end of the day, right ERP depends on your business size, process and budget. I hope this video gives you clarity on the top 3 open source ERP systems available in 2025. At Vigisolver Private Limited, we help businesses implement ERP solutions tailored for their business needs. So if you need any help in ERP implementation, you can reach out to us at the contact information given in the description below and at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have liked this video, please like, comment and share. If you are liking our content, please also do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.